Chloe, what are you doing? Come here, baby. What are you doing? Dutch, where are you going? Uh-oh. Are you going to pick it up? That's heavy. Baby? Where are you going, sweetie? You can't go that way. What's the matter? Did you drop it? It's pretty heavy, huh? Baboon? You got it?
Doggies.
Where are the doggies? Okay, can you say bye-bye? Chloe? Hey, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.